So we got a '07 Nissan Murano, and the hood latches or not the latches, but the hood strut supports are starting to fail. So I'm going to open this up and kind of show you what we got going on with them. They just don't support the hood weight anymore. So we need to go ahead and replace these with new ones. You kind of see it just does not support the full weight anymore. So we're going to go ahead and get these guys replaced. I'll show you how to do that, and it's probably about a 20-minute job maybe, and be ready to roll. Okay, so we've got both retainers left and right in place, and just kind of show you the amount of support we get now. Just lift it up, stays like it's supposed to, so that's kind of cool. So probably about a 15-minute job, as long as you don't run into anything interesting. And if you would, like and subscribe. Again, '07 Murano, and we got a lot of the videos for Nissan and Honda, and God bless you guys. All right, so just to kind of show you the so that's the old, that's not the one I wanted to pick up. I actually wanted to pick up the new one. All right, so on the new shock, okay, the black part actually goes on the base, and it's kind of angled outward. So that's actually going to go on the bottom. I just kind of wanted to show you the band is really tight in place. You can see how the hole is really small. You don't really have enough area there to press it on. So what I've done is I've kind of prepped the first strut support, and I've actually slid the clip off and slid it back on from the top to give us more clearance. So that should actually clip on, and we can just push this down to get it to clip into place. So we're going to give that a shot. Okay, so it pushes on fine, and I'm going to actually move the clip up for it to clip in place. And you can see now it's actually in place. It's slid down and it's holding nicely. However, again, glad I did this on camera, because no, never mind. Okay, so these actually do rotate a slight bit. So you can actually rotate these a little bit and line up your top hole, and then push the clip down. And might need a screwdriver to give it a little persuasion. Maybe a lot of persuasion. Okay. And there we go. That little clip, I think, or click in place, is what we're looking for. Let's see if it's, yep, it is clipped in place and good to go. Now, so that single support actually did give us enough support to be able to do the other one a lot easier without us having to, basically it freed up another hand, so we don't have to hold the hood. So we're going to go ahead and move to the other side. Again, I'll show you this just in the beginning, making some room for the opening. I'm gonna try this and see if this will actually work just as it is. That's a good bit of opening. It might snap in place as is. So you can see the bottom base area, that is not enough for the ball to actually fit into place. So I'm gonna back that one out. little bit of prep work. Probably go a long way. I want to see if that is enough to allow us to clip that in place. Let's see if that will clear, and if we can actually get that on. Of course, we still got to remove the old one first. Same procedure as last time. Just gonna move the little metal retainer clip back, and recommend actually using a little, either 2 screwdrivers or one that's got a little bigger of a, this one's less than 1/4 inch. It doesn't quite give you enough bite to completely remove the clip, but it does exercise it a little bit so you can get another screwdriver in there, and at that point we can pull it off. Okay, got it just in case. Same thing on the base end, just backing off. That was so much easier. Backing off the retainer clip. We'll set those aside. Let's see if we've done enough to give us the clearance we need to push these on. Actually, the clip has kind of worked itself back into place here, so I'm going to have to back that off a little bit more. All right, there we go. There we go. That actually worked well. Clipped in place. Retainer is there doing its job. So yeah, we are good there. Now on the top, I'll have to rotate it a little bit. Okay, so we've got both retainers, left and right, in place. And just kind of show you the amount of support we get now. Just lift it up. Stays like it's supposed to. So that's kind of cool. So probably about a 15-minute job, as long as you don't run into anything interesting. And if you would, like and subscribe. Again, 07 Murano, and I got a lot of other videos for Nissan and Honda. And God bless you guys.